If you could see the world through my eyes, vibrant purple sunrise, shards of broken dreams come raining down.
Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some sectioned off areas using just standard pallets to control your compost piles. If you're anything like me and you make a pile, it just spreads out. It's hard to mow around, hard to maintain. So using simple pallets, you can make some sectioned off areas to help contain that and make it usable and functional. So let's dive in. I have several pallets here that I'm going to be using to do this project. It's not going to be anything super fancy, but I have some composting from chickens and from rabbits that I want to use so that I can add that to my garden. I wanted to pick an area that's close to the garden, but not too close where I can't mow and maintain that. So I found this area. This works out well. And I'm going to put together these pallets in a way that I can have a couple sections of an older and then a newer composting pile. What was happening is I would be making a pile and it would just grow out rather than up. Then it was hard to keep track of which one was older, which one was newer, which one to use, which one to leave. And it was hard to maintain around there. The grass would get crazy and it was just all over the place. So this will help me to maintain a specific area and to be effective in controlling that. I'm just going to be using some screws and a DeWalt drill, and it should be pretty straightforward. So one thing I'm going to be making sure to do is use the side that has the closer boards to maintain as much as I can in the pile. I have this one about where I want it to be. I'm going to nudge this up close, hold that, and really I'm going to keep this pretty simple. So what I wanted to do is just situate them in a way that's easiest to connect them, just using some simple screws. It's not going to be anything fancy, but it will definitely work better than giant piles. So just have this at a 90-degree angle. I'm going to butt this one up against here. And just need to look at areas that help keep it sturdy and that I can actually screw in to connect them. There we have it, one quick, easy section. Another thing that I might do is grab a 2x2 and create something here just to make this sturdy on the ends. But let's get this other one done here as well. I'm going to butt this up, just screw these two together here using a couple screws. I can always go back and add more as needed. Here we have it, and one more. Butt this up this way so that it's easiest to connect. Well, there you have it. Didn't take too long. Here I have 5 pallets helping me create 2 sections for composting near the garden. It contains that, so I can have 2 sections, one that's old, one that's new, one that I want to use, and one that I want to let sit. It also helps me contain it so that I can mow around it and maintain that. I might add a little bit more support across the front, but I want to be able to get in here easily to move it or get it out when I need it. So I'll just add a little bit of stability as needed. The other thing that I did here is a little bit of forward thinking to know that I have space on either side, that I can create 2 more sections if I need, and I can add more pallets to this. So it's expandable. You can put it wherever you need and whatever works for you in the location near your garden. But this is a lot better than giant piles that I can't keep track of. If you have any questions, leave those below. If you have any comments or other things you'd like to see, make sure to leave those as well. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Hopefully this helps you on your life and fitness journey. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.
You might lose walking miles in someone else's show.